Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. Today we are going to do a product empties video. I love when I empty a product. Matlab, the feeling is so nice. I do not know if you guys also share the same feeling. If you do, let me know in the comment section below or give this a video a thumbs up so I know. पता नहीं क्यों एक बहुत ही अच्छी जिम्मेदारी वाली फीलिंग आती है कि हाँ मैंने खरीदा था इस प्रोडक्ट को और खत्म भी कर दिया. I love that feeling absolutely. Because it's January, I thought we'll start the year fresh with reviewing everything we completed in the last year. So yeah, I have a lot of products to talk about here. I will let you know whether I like them, whether I dislike them, whether I will repurchase them, whether it's super bad, whether you should also try them out. Everything will be in this video. So get comfortable, grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's jump right in the video. Before I forget to mention, if you want to know what lip color I am wearing, it will be linked in the description box below. And yes, everything over here, whatever I am showing you, all the links will be mentioned in the description box below. So now let's start. What we have is a hair product which is from Nykaa Naturals. It's their rosemary and naturally derived niacinamide rinse off hair mask, and this is in the variant advanced hair growth. This is actually a really good product. The only problem I found that because my hair is in low density and it's very light मतलब बिल्कुल भी इसे जान नहीं है. This makes my hair really heavy, which I think in turns makes it more greasy faster. So I think it will be really good for people who have like more volume, more density, just जिनके बाल बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं उनको मैनेज करने के लिए ये हेयर मास्क बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा. बट या आई स्टिल रेकमेंड दिस इज 10 on 10 product. You should definitely give this a shot. And it smells rosemary for sure, but it smells so fresh and natural. I mean, I absolutely loved it and मैंने पूरा खाली कर दिया था. I actually like it that much. But the only thing was that my hair was getting a little heavy, which is why I will not repurchase this again. The next up I have is this Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hours Auto Replenishing Hydrator. It's a moisturizer with a very long name, but I absolutely love this one. I have gone through tubs and tubs of this one. Maybe 3-4 तो मैंने already खत्म कर दिए. And इसका एक और variant है which has SPF in it. उसको भी मैं बहुत खत्म कर चुकी हूँ and एक अभी भी चल रहा है. But I will forever keep repurchasing this whenever मैं out of other moisturizer that I have, because it is that good. I have a dry to very dry skin when it comes to winters. मेरा skin यहाँ से थोड़ी थोड़ी फटने लगती है. This really does its job perfectly. It has so like gel like texture to it, इसलिए ये बहुत heavy नहीं होता है स्किन पे. It's very light, so पूरे दिन में पता नहीं चलेगा आपको आपने स्किन पे कुछ लगाया है कि नहीं. It's that lightweight. कभी कभार कुछ चीजें लगा के पता चलता है कि यार बहुत सारा कुछ है फेस पे. It gets droopy, it gets really heavy. इसको लगा के बिल्कुल पता नहीं चलता है. It can be used under makeup as well. It's that lightweight and it will not disrupt your makeup at all. I absolutely love this. I know it's a bit expensive, but I think it does its job and it does more to your skin. My skin feels so super hydrating and nourished from inside, and that's the reason why I will forever love this, repurchase this time and time again. Next product I have is the Tea Tree Oil and Peppermint Scalp Scrub by Love Beauty and Planet. Oh my God, where do I begin about this product? And इससे पहले मैंने कभी स्कैल्प स्क्रब के बारे में नहीं सुना था, ना कभी लगाया, of course, ना कभी सुना उनके बारे में. This was the first time I heard about them, so I purchased them immediately for my dandruff, of course, and it worked. It's a magical product that worked, and since then I have been recommending it to everyone who's facing a little bit of dandruff or who wants to get rid of them. This is your go-to. What I do is बाल गीले करने के बाद इसको पहले लगाती हूँ and try to scrub my scalp a little bit. बहुत ज्यादा harshly भी नहीं कि छील जाए मेरा बाल, but हाँ, very little by little I scrub my entire scalp, rinse it off, and then apply my shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, or whatever it is. But this actually worked because of the tea tree and peppermint, I guess, because they work for that dandruff removal thingy, and this is exactly what helped me do that. So I will forever repurchase this till the time I find something better, but this actually works, and yeah, it's definitely worth your money. Next up, from the same brand and the same range, I have their shampoo, and this also works. I last year went through like 4 to 5 bottles of these because इनकी क्वांटिटी बहुत ही कम है. I believe that बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाते हैं ये, एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली हेट दैट आई हैव टू कीप रीपर्चेजिंग देम. मैंने कम से कम 4 से 5 बार इसको खरीद लिया था और खत्म भी कर चुकी हूँ. It's that good. So at first I used to do this combination, first the scalp scrub and then the shampoo. And जब the scalp scrub खत्म हो गया, then I used to continue using the shampoo. It's also great. It keeps them fresh. It keeps them dandruff free. I actually really like this one. And post my moving to Delhi, my hair, my skin, all have been trying to get used to the weather, the seasons, and it's getting a little bit difficult, but we are trying to make it. Have changed a lot of our products, and this was one of them. I've changed my shampoo also, and this was really good. Definitely worth the money. मैंने इसको आज ही खत्म किया है. This is a fresh bottle जिसको मैंने आज खत्म किया है. Next up, I have the Nivea Derma Skin Clear Wash Gel. This is a face wash which has salicylic acid and niacinamide. This is more so for blemish prone skin. तो अगर आपको डार्क स्पॉट्स है या आपके बहुत ज्यादा पिंपल्स या एक्नी है, this would do its job for you. For me, it was a decent product back then, and it's still a decent product. I do not hate it, but would I repurchase this? Maybe not. I have loved and dearly more face washes that I have repurchased it. This just does not make the cut for me to repurchase it. Definitely a great product. Next up, I have the Mario Badescu lip mask with acai and vanilla. This was a recent purchase, like back in like March, April when there was the Nykaa sale. तब मैंने इसको repurchase किया था, and जब नवंबर में Nykaa sale फिर से आई थी, I repurchased it again because अब तक मैं इसको खत्म कर चुकी थी. So yes, I have repurchased it already. It smells heavenly, like heavenly, and I cannot tell you how hydrating this is on my lips. Because it's winters, I only apply this in my night skincare routine, and when I wake up in the morning, my lips are still feeling good, better. Because it's winters, my skin has absolutely been dry, and so are my lips. This helps me out so much. Because it's a lip mask, I would not recommend you to apply it entire day, बार जो हम chapstick या कोई lip balm लगाते हैं. This is not one of those. It's a lip sleeping mask, so you should only apply this when you are going off to sleep, like in your night skincare routine, because it's thick, it's nourishing, it's hydrating. It really helps keep the moisture locked in your lips, and I absolutely love this one. This has surpassed my Laneige obsession so much. I was a Laneige sleeping mask girl for probably 2 to 3 years. I went through 10s and 20s of tubs of those. I was so obsessed with them. But this replaced it very quickly, that I don't own a Laneige lip balm right now. It's a big thing for me to say, because 2-3 सालों तक मैंने सिर्फ Laneige लगाया है, and suddenly when I purchased this was it. I just loved it so much, and yeah, that's all I want to say. Next up, I have a lip balm from Laneige. It's their lip treatment balm. I will definitely not repurchase this or even buy this in the first place or recommend this to anyone. It's a decent product because I got it in PR. I used it. It has a tingling sensation which used to burn a little bit, which I do not want in a lip balm. Like, lip balms are supposed to be comfortable, they are supposed to feel good, look good, and whatever to do your lips feel better. This absolutely did not do it. First, it had that sensation that burned my lips a little bit, and also Aditya को इतना चिढ़ होता था अगर मैं इसको ये लगा लेती थी. He would literally throw a tantrum whenever I used to apply this on him, like ये नहीं, कुछ भी और लगा ले, बस ये मत लगा. That was the scenario. And secondly, because of the color, it used to be a little ashy on my lips. इसका color एकदम white iridescent types था, तो मेरे lips पे ये बहुत weirdly sit करता था. It would not look cute if I'm going out wearing this on its own. It was that color. So yeah, I would not repurchase this, but it was really fancy. It also came in with an applicator that goes right in. So very fancy product, worth 2,000 rupees. I just don't think so it's worth that much, or even worth at all. I would go to the Laneige sleeping mask, cult favorite, worth the hype, worth the money. Absolutely. This just does not do it for me. Next up, I have the Garnier Skin Naturals SPF 50 sunscreen spray. This I repurchased maybe like September, August or something, and ये almost खत्म हो चुका है. Almost. Like I have maybe this much left, and इसको मैं पहले use कर रही थी, and now it has been shifted to Aditya because he loves the ease of just डूइंग दिस एंड गेटिंग द सनस्प्रे. उसको इतना आलस आता था जब भी मैं उसको सनस्क्रीन लगाने बोलती थी, ही वुड टेक दिस एंड लाइक नहीं लगाना नहीं लगाना, इतना कंटाल आता था उसको. बट आफ्टर दिस ही जस्ट uses SPF every single day without fail. He do the moisturizer, he'll just take this, spray it all over the face, or ask me to like पहले मुझे spray कर दे, and then I'll do it and he'll be done. I love how easy sunscreen sprays have made our lives. I hate applying sunscreen because पर उसको घिसते 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 काफी घिसना पड़ता है sunscreens को, and this just does it. There is no white cast. It has SPF 50. That means you will get protection of 8 hours or plus. And since it's sunscreen spray, love this. Love this so much. Travel friendly, absolutely. I have traveled with this to so many places. Worth everything. I will repurchase this, not for me but for Aditya especially. It's that great and that easy to use. Next up, again from Mario Badescu, I have their botanical body soap, that is AHA, and all skin types. I loved it. I loved it so much because this I specially got from my strawberry skin. I have strawberry skin like on my legs, on my elbows in some places. So I saw some review where it said that if you have strawberry skin, try the AHA or this one specially. So I got this. I could actually see a difference. I definitely saw a difference in how much less of a strawberry skin I have on my legs right now. My arms not so much, but definitely on my legs. I have finished it up. Again, this was today a very fresh emptied bottle, and yeah, I am going to repurchase this again in the next Nykaa sale whenever it comes up, because Nykaa sale में Mario Badescu के products almost 50% से ज़्यादा off में मिल जाते हैं, so it's the best time to purchase them. So definitely go check them out. I really love this and I have nothing bad about to say. I have nothing more to say. It just helps and soothes your skin a lot. It has no smell. अगर आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा सेंटेड कुछ चाहिए, आप बहुत ही फील फ्रेश करना चाहते हो, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट. दिस हैज नो स्मेल एट ऑल, बट दिस डज इट्स जॉब परफेक्टली, which is what I am going to repurchase this for. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव द ऑर्डिनरी सूदिंग एंड बैरियर सपोर्ट सेरम. मेरे पास सिर्फ इतना सा ही बचा है अब इसको यूज करने में, उसको मैं खलास कर दूंगी थोड़े टाइम में. आई गेस प्रॉब्ली द नेक्स्ट 5 to 7 days this will get over for sure. That is the reason why it's in this video. This I found not too much to be very honest. मतलब एक बहुत ज्यादा कुछ फैंसी नहीं है इसके अंदर. The only aesthetically pleasing this thing has is the pink color of this serum, and that's about it. It's definitely very hydrating and nourishing, which is the reason why I use this especially more in winters. But the biggest con is कि जब आप इसको अप्लाई करते हो and इसके ऊपर मॉइस्चराइजर लगा के I leave it for the day, अगर दोपहर या कोई शाम को अगर मैं कुछ ऐसे से अगर मैंने अपना फेस स्क्रब किया है या कुछ हाथ लगा दिया है, इट विल पील ऑफ. इट विल पील ऑफ सो बैडली. मतलब ऐसे वो खुरदुरे खुरदुरे निकल जाते हैं इसके अंदर, एंड दैट्स जस्ट सो टैकी. एंड गलती से इफ आई फॉरगॉटन दैट आई हैव दिस सेरम ऑन एंड इसके ऊपर अगर मैंने मेकअप लगा दिया, माई मेकअप इज गोइंग टू चिथड़ो चिथड़ो हो जाएगा उन सबका. आई डोंट यूज दिस वेन एवर इधर आई एम गोइंग आउट और आई हैव टू अप्लाई मेकअप. दिस इज ओनली वेन आई हैव नथिंग टू डू on a day, and yeah, that's about it. So will I repurchase this? Definitely not. Do I recommend this? I don't think so. It's an okay product only, and yeah, that's all about it. Next up I have is the Dove exfoliating body polish, and it's in the crushed almond and mango butter variant. Oh my god, this is so good, like so good. इसमें अभी सिर्फ थोड़ा सा बचा जिसमें लास्ट मेरे ख्याल से नेक्स्ट 1 या 2 सेशन हो सकता है मिनिमम या मैक्सिमम. दैट्स अबाउट इट. This smells so incredible. I just cannot stop smelling myself whenever I apply this. It's that good. It's great. And जब आप इसको लगाने के बाद अपने बॉडी को रिंस ऑफ करोगे, your body is going to feel like a baby's butt. It's that soft. I love this. Love this. It not only exfoliates, removes the dirt, removes the dead skin cells. काफी टंग ट्विस्टर हो गया. But also makes your body smell so good, so delicious and so soft. इसमें बहुत सारे वेरिएंट्स आते हैं. So next I'm very excited to try that golden color वाला. I do not know what variant is that, but I'll try to post a picture over here. वो वाला वेरिएंट मैं डेफिनेटली खरीदूंगी my next sale के अंदर. But this, oh my god, because I am a fan of the mango smell. This smells incredible. I will let alone buy this for the smell, for that. So good. And of course this performs so great. Like, one thing from Dove that I actually love and use is this. मैंने Dove बहुत try किया हुआ है. Their body soaps, their hair wash, nothing has ever suited me. The soap made me so dry. The shampoo never worked for my hair. It just made it very bad. The quality made it very bad. But this is the first time Dove made me feel so good, and I am going to repurchase this for sure and 100% recommend to everyone. Last product I have is the Nykaa Naturals Tea Tree and Neem Purifying Face Wash. इतना सा ही बाकी है. That is the reason why it's in this video. I don't recommend this product. मतलब it literally does nothing. इतना मुश्किल है इसको यूज करना. ऐसे लगाते रगड़ते, कोई फोम नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, अच्छे से क्लेंस भी नहीं करता है. I still have 50% of my makeup on even when I'm applying this, washing my face off with this does not work at all. कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. So I absolutely do not like this. It's very cheap actually. ये शायद कुछ 100 रुपए का मुझे मिला था, तो मैंने बहुत सारे खरीद लिए थे, 4-5 एक साथ में, बिकॉज आई गो थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप वॉशिंग डे बाय डे. तो मैंने सोचा कि जो महंगे वाले उनको सही टाइम पे यूज करूंगी, एंड दिस आई डू यूज ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, बट इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीपर्चेज दिस. आई डोंट recommend this. It's just a bad product. So yeah, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed and found this informative. Please do comment down below if you did spot any of your favorites or any of your product empties, and please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, so whenever I come up with videos you are always aware of that. Do not forget to like and share this video as much as possible, and yes, I will see you in the next one. Bye.